Hello, everyone. Today, I will introduce a tool called AiFlowStudio and briefly explain how to use it. To begin, let's download the tool. Start by searching for CNAPS.AI and accessing the website. You will need to create an account. In my case, I linked my Google account and have already signed in. After that, let's move on to the download page. Currently, the program only supports the Windows operating system. Since it is still in beta, all inferences are performed locally, which requires an NVIDIA GPU. If you meet these requirements, I encourage you to install the program and try it out yourself. Click the download button to get the installer. Once the download is complete, follow the instructions provided by the installer. After installation, when you launch AiFlowStudio, you will see a screen like this. In the center of the screen, you will notice a visual scripting section with multiple nodes. You can exchange data between these nodes. You can disconnect a node by dragging it away, and likewise reconnect it by dragging it back to the appropriate slot. The node at the top performs super resolution. You can input an image into this node and visualize the output. The node below is used to compare two images. Let's compare the images before and after super resolution. When you compare them, you can see that the super resolution works quite well. So, this is the fundamental idea behind AiFlowStudio. You connect nodes by passing data streams between them. You can drag nodes from the panel on the left, place them onto the editor, and connect them as needed. There are various nodes for visualizing images, text, and audio. There are also nodes that perform inference using deep learning models, and these nodes are categorized based on the input and output formats of each model. There are model cards that organize detailed information and metadata for each model, and you can manage downloading and deleting the weight files individually for each model. Now let's create our own flow. First, click the Image Reader node in the left panel, and then click Place in Editor to add it to the workspace. We'll select an image. I have downloaded a picture of a dog from the internet. Let's try image segmentation. Segmentation task falls under the Image to Image and Text as category. Among the segmentation models, let's select the ResNet model and drag it into the editor. Connect the image to the ResNet model node. You will immediately see a blue progress bar fill up. This indicates the model inference has successfully run. Now let's visualize the results. Drag an image viewer node and connect the image output. The segmentation map appears nicely. Drag a text viewer node into the editor and connect it to the text output. You'll see the label descriptions. In the result, the background is marked red and the dog is labeled gray. It looks like the segmentation performed quite well. Let's save this segmentation map and analyze it. I will save the segmentation map under the name dog mask. Using Python, we can open both the image and the mask and overlay them to see the result. Oh, the segmentation map looks good. It seems the segmentation was done properly. By the way, AiFlowStudio also provides a node that can overlay images. Feel free to try it out yourself. Now let's try to in-paint the scene using this segmentation map. In-painting is categorized as an image plus mask to image task. Let's bring in a latent diffusion model and place it in the editor. Connect the original image to be in-painted to the first input of the in-painting model and the segmentation map to the second input. Once the blue progress bar fills up, let's check the results. Drag an image viewer from the left panel and connect it to the model output. Wow! The area where the dog originally existed has been replaced with the surrounding background. Let's save this result as well and overlay it to check. Actually, my original goal was to remove the mess caused by the dog, but since the segmentation model only recognizes the dog and not the mess, the areas where the dog was have been erased instead. Although it feels a bit unnatural, the surrounding scene has been filled in quite well. Great, so far we've explored a basic overview and example use cases of AiFlowStudio. While setting up open source models manually can be fun, I wanted to introduce this tool as a fast and easy alternative. I encourage you all to give it a try if possible. Thank you.